You're watching market headlines. At the Jakarta Composite Index intraday movement earlier today, JCI was open at the level of 6,841.05, and then approaching the closing time on the first session, the index was on the level of 6,825.09. And then the index was showing weakening trend by the second session closing time. Index was closed at the level of 6,818.75, and in short, JCI went down 1.07%. And next, we're going to see the sectoral movement leading the dynamics of today's trading. We got health sector as the leader of strengthening trend that went up 2.79%. Energy went up 0.55%. Transportation and logistics went down 1.73%, and technology sector went down 1.59%. Moving on to top gainers and top losers, here are the key highlights from today's trading session. Telkom went up 2.22% to the level of 3,680 rupiah per share. Adaro Energy went up 0.52% to the level of 3,830 rupiah. BP went up 1.72% to the level of 177 rupiah per share. And ADMR went up 0.3% to the level of 1,650 rupiah per share. Meantime, for the top losers, BBCA went down 2.59% to 8,450. BBRI went down 2.06% to the level of 4,760 rupiah. BMRI went down 4.82% to 10,375 rupiah, and Astra International went down 2.55% to 5,725 rupiah per share. And next, we're going to see the intraday movement of rupiah towards US dollar. Open at the level of 15,600 rupiah, showing weakening trend towards US dollar, and it was closed at the level of 15,622. And in summary, rupiah went down 0.01%. Bayan Resources had absorbed a capital expenditure of 2.56 trillion rupiah. The management explained that most of Capex was used for the construction of a coal hauling road, overland conveyor, and the barge loading facility in Muara Pahu.
Bayan Resources said it had absorbed capital expenditure of $166.2 million or equivalent to 2.56 trillion rupiah. Director and Chief Development Officer of Bayan Resources, Russell Neil, say that most of this year's capital expenditure was used for the construction of a coal hauling road to Muara Pahu, the Muara Pahu overland conveyor, and the barge loading facility in Muara Pahu. Neil continued that his party had not been able to specify how much the capital expenditure budget would be issued next year. This is because the budget is still in the management approval process. Meanwhile, the Corporate Secretary of Bayan Resources, Jenny Quantero, say that the absorption of capital expenditure until the third quarter of 2022 was lower than the budget due to high rainfall, especially in the first semester of 2022. As for this year, the company prepares capital expenditure of $220 million to $250 million. This year, the company targets revenues of $3.2 billion to $3.4 billion. With a coal production volume of 37 million to 39 million metric tons. IDX Channel reports.
And the news close our market headlines today. Please enjoy our next program on IDX Channel, your trustworthy economic, business and capital market channel. I'm Fajar Wayong. Have a nice evening and stay safe. Yeah.